Early spring or early summer is a great time to control your Jerusalem artichoke bed. Jerusalem artichokes are a perennial that will come back year after year, even if you think you've got every root out of the soil. You can see we have dozens here, and then we've got them all scattered throughout this bed here. This bed has been here for over 8 years. So in the spring, we come in and we trim the perimeter, digging up the artichokes in which are getting out of control because they will spread slightly. We'll take them, clean them up, scrub them off, cut them in chip-like slices, and put them in the air fryer and make basically French fries out of them, and they taste very well in that aspect. Yeah, I know you lose some of the nutritional value because you've heated them up, but it's a great way to utilize what you're getting out of your garden in the spring, and you'll get a full crop in the fall.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.